Exceptional. Exceptional, very nice place. Exceptional, great stay here for 3 days 2 nights. Exceptional. Reasonable price in a very strategic location, less than 5 minutes walk from nearest MRT, monorail, rapid KL and Go KL bus, tasty foods and vibrant place surrounding everywhere. Clean room and properties, free water refill. Can even drop luggage for early check-in, if available. They may offer you to upgrade room class at no additional cost. Also, very nice and helpful receptionist staff. Housekeeping staff also very responsive in case there is trouble. 5/5 would recommend, definitely worth every penny. Recommended, excellent service, courteous staff, definitely recommended for a budget stay. Lovely. Bus stops right outside, bit of a trek to the MTR. Small but private room, with bathroom, shower great, terrace was lovely. Staff friendly. Clean. Good place to explore from. Exceptional, very nice, please. Good idea in hotel service, all is perfect and comfortable for stay, price is also the best. Highly recommended, excellent location. Value for money. Exceptional, clean hotel room with bathroom for the price of hostel.